Good morning, people. I hope you are doing well. Today is a Republic Day, and I'm just taking the Speedmaster for a small ride. Wanted to just experience the Republic Day celebrations if I can. I hope you are doing well. So, in my society today, there is a lot of Republic Day celebration. People, kids, everybody is enjoying. So yeah, I'm just trying to see if we can have some shorter tea ride on a Republic Day. That way I will be rousing my Speedmaster. I didn't touch it for what, how many days? Good amount of days, 2 weeks. So I wanted to just see, take a ride, make her happy. By the way, just a second, I'm just checking and seeing. So I hope, yeah. So you can see the baby. Baby is good. I'll just place it back. Up. Perfect, guys. I'll take the bike near Gandhi Nagar. Just a short ride and then be back. I'll also fuel it up today. So by the way, I took my Altros to Bhimtal. It's what 1200 kilometers from here. I'll be uploading the vlog very soon on that. So yeah, today is a bit chilly. Actually, I wanted to go in the morning to Himmatnagar for a breakfast ride, but I didn't go. Reason being, it was actually very chilly. I woke up at 5:36 in the morning. I saw the temperature and I thought, ah man, I don't want to go. So unfortunately, I didn't go today. And then I thought, why not to take the bike on a Gandhinagar highway and just make her happy. So yeah, right now also the winds are a bit chilly. Uh, Obviously, Ahmedabad is not a cold place, so quite, I would say, less temperatures. Bed also feels like 17 degrees, even though it's 16 degrees. Ahmedabad people doesn't, they're not used to the cold, honestly. So yeah, बाकी आप बताओ कैसे हो, how things are. I hope all of you are doing well. And so it's January 26, already 2026 हो चुका. So happy new year to everyone. इस साल की आइटनरी मैं थोड़ा बना रहा था with my wife, and I just took the first trip to Bhimtal, and then from Bhimtal. So basically, the route that we took was from Ahmedabad to Jaipur. Jaipur में मेरे friend के घर पे हम रुके थे. And then from on the second day from Jaipur, we left for Bhimtal in the evening around 7:30, 8 o'clock. पहुंच गए थे Bhimtal. And then from Bhimtal we went to Binsar Wildlife Sanctuary. वहाँ पे हमने 2 nights रुके. 12th and 13th. On 14th we left for Kausani. Kausani से we took a route towards Rishikesh. Rishikesh में हमने 3 nights रुके हम actually. And then we went towards Haridwar. 1 night वहाँ पे रुके. And then we took a night in Nathdwara and then back to Ahmedabad. हमारा प्लान जो था वो था to reach to Munshiyari. It's a beautiful place. Unfortunately, there were 2 things that happened. One, there was no snowfall when we were there. हम यहाँ पे पहुँचे तब पता चला snowfall start हुआ है. So that's a bad luck. And second was basically there were forest fires in Binsar. And वो forest fire की वजह से we were not able to see the Himalayas properly. So हमने क्या सोचा कि instead of being there in the Kumaon Himalayas, let's go towards Garhwal Himalayas, which is obviously Rishikesh and Haridwar, Mussoorie, Landoor, ये सारी जगह पे. So, and when we reached in Garhwal Himalayas, obviously there was no forest fire, the weather was much clearer, smoggy नहीं था उतना, so that was a good sign. तो मोटा honestly the bad luck that we had was on the snowfall side. ठंडी थी, it was 0 degrees, -1 in some times, but unfortunately we were not able to see the snowfall, for which we actually took a trip in January instead of December. So bad luck. Next year we will plan it in the month of end of January or starting of February. So because of that I'm hoping that we should be able to see the snowfall. तो ये प्लान है for the next year. तो इस साल का प्लान, there are 2 plans on the horizon. One is taking the Speedmaster to Amritsar. So मैं और मेरा एक फ्रेंड है मुनील पटेल. मुनील साहब ने बोला है कि वे अमृतसर जाना है. So I'll try to convince him if we can go to Rishikesh again, because the adventure sports and everything would be possible. Plus अप्रैल में जाएंगे तो थोड़ी गर्मी भी रहेगी, तो नहाना भी मज़ा आएगा. So गंगा जी में, तो that's one thought process. अगर if he says no, I want to go to Amritsar, then we'll go to Amritsar as well. तो प्लान है अमृतसर का, probably around 4 to 5 days. We'll leave on Thursday evening, and then Friday, hopefully we should be able to reach, and then we will be able to spend a day or 2 in Amritsar. Sunday को निकल जाएंगे, Monday को यहाँ पे आ जाएंगे, something like that. So let's see if that works out, and if we agree, because मेरे पास से छुट्टियाँ इतनी नहीं रहेगी. मैंने अभी रिसेंटली यूज़ कर ली है, so I believe it will take some time for me to collect all my leaves again. तो basically मना कोई नहीं करता, but work भी है, so I believe we should be matured enough to take leaves properly. So let's see. So it's nothing, it's an expressway, so abhi they are allowing bikes, so I was thinking why not to utilize that time and take the Speedmaster, enjoy that route as much as possible, because I'm sure बाद में they will not allow us bikers on that route. So मेरा plan है कि I reach there in the month of February or March. जो भी छुट्टी आ रही होगी, I mean it's a day ride. सुबह निकलूँगा 5 बजे या 6 बजे. I should be able to be back by 5 or 6 in the evening. So it's just that 12-hour ride. So that's the plan to take the Speedmaster as well on that direction. फिर छोटा मोटी ऐसी राइड्स तो मैं करता ही रहूँगा. ब्रेकफास्ट राइड्स I try to vlog as much as possible and show it to you guys. So yeah, that it is what it is. And जो सबसे बड़ी राइड, as I said, अमृतसर या ऋषिकेश का प्लान कर रहा हूँ. I just went to ऋषिकेश, but मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है I should go again. It's a beautiful place. और बाइकर्स का तो हेवन है. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि it would be fun going there, honestly. And बहुत मज़ा आएगा. So that's one thing. And उसके बाद probably in the month of June we'll go to Chadol. My birthday comes in June, so me and my wife will go for a drive to Chadol. And then Chadol से that's another trip that we planned so far. और उसके बाद in the month of August or September, probably in the month of August, is what we plan to go towards South India. इस बार जो लास्ट टाइम हम गए थे वो गोकर्ण गए थे. So just an FYI, last year we took my car towards South India, where we basically first night we stayed in Surat, second night we stayed in Solapur, क्योंकि हमने धुले वाला रूट लिया था because we wanted to go to Krishneshwar Jyotirling and then Ellora Caves, and then we took Solapur route. And after Solapur route we went to Gokarna. Gokarna हमने 2 nights, I believe 2 nights or so we stayed. Then we took the coastal highway towards Goa. Goa में हम 4 nights probably हम रहे थे. And then from Goa we came back to Ahmedabad non-stop. So हमारा प्लान इस बार का, what we are planning right now is in the month of August, is because August में छुट्टियाँ भी थोड़ी बहुत रहती है. So probably at the end of August we plan to go towards Malwan. So we will plan यहाँ से coastal highway या फिर we'll go towards Solapur. सोलापुर से हम्पी से मालवान से बेसिकली गणपतिपुले, गणपतिपुले से अहमदाबाद, समथिंग लाइक दैट. सो ये हमारा मोटा प्लान है अभी that we have thought of. So let's see if that materializes. But South India तो जाएंगे. I mean we usually take 2 trips, long trips in a year. One is in the north and one is in the south. And ऐसी कोई छुट्टियाँ आ रही हो या if we take 1 or 2 days off or Saturday Sunday करके, we also take a trip either in Rajasthan or in Madhya Pradesh, something like that. Just the last time I think in the month of December I believe or November we went to Mahaleshwar. So मेरे फ्रेंड ने कार ली है तो दर्शन करने हम गए थे फैमिली. सो ऐसी ट्रिप्स चालू रहती है फ्रॉम माई साइड. एंड ऑनेस्टली आई एम वर्किंग इन अ कंपनी, मैं जॉब करता हूँ. सो द वे आई ट्राई टू मैनेज माई फिनेंसेस इज कि मैं हर महीने आई ट्राई टू कीप 10,000 to 15,000 rupees in an account, and based on my trips budget I finalized the trip. So for example, मुझे अगस्त में जाना है मोटा मोटा आई बिलीव इट वुड बी एन एक्सपेंस ऑफ 50 to 60K। तो अभी से मैं 15,000 रुपये हर महीने सेव करता हूँ, तो इन 4 to 5 months प्लस और माइनस 1-2 महीने हो जाते हैं जहाँ पे यू डोंट सेव। तो ऐसा करके आई रीच टू माई गोल ऑफ 60-70K। जैसे ही वो हो जाता है आई ट्राई टू गो फॉर अ ट्रिप। So basically I always keep beautiful, I try to keep my finances in this way and checks as well, so that overspending भी नहीं होता है and I'm able to take multiple trips. So that's how I thought, but the only thing that I believe is it's better to save and then spend rather than spend and then basically take EMIs, etc., etc. So that's how I manage my finance basically for my trips. What we did actually was कि हमने 2022 में Altroz ली and we took a diesel model because we already thought कि हम ट्राइंग करेंगे इंडिया घूमने का ऑन द कार as much as possible। और ऑनेस्टली अभी तक हमने अराउंड 70,000 या 71,000 किलोमीटर्स चला लिया है इन 3 years। सो अगस्त 2022 में हमने लिया था, तो 3.5 years हुए हैं एंड इट्स ऑलरेडी रिटर्न अराउंड 70,000 plus kilometers। So me and my wife were talking कि अभी because we take so many trips, it's better to take a bigger car. Let's buy a bigger car if possible। And उसका reason simple है because bigger car means more comfort। And my wife जो मेरे friend ने Harrier ली, so we took a ride in Harrier till Indore and Mahakaleshwar। She realized कि यार it is more comfortable obviously than Altroz। So she was telling me कि यार it is way comfortable, and if we plan out something on those lines that we should be able to basically manage finances। अगर manage हो सकता है तो why don't we go for a bigger car if possible। और अगर bigger car possible है तो it would be more comfortable, the logic is that, and plus we should be able to take it to hilly regions much easier than Altroz। Obviously Altroz भी चलती है, बहुत अच्छी चली है अभी तक, there is no complaints on it, but comfort के बारे में अगर मैं बोलूँ तो obviously bigger car means bigger comfort and space आपको ज़्यादा अंदर मिलती है। even the pillion, not the pillion, sorry, the side seats जो है को ड्राइवर की, those seats are also way comfortable। So we were just talking about it and we thought why don't we try for it। I mean, you know, let's see if our finances you know, let's check our finance and let's see if we are able to I was just going through YouTube and you know online search मैंने अभी just start किया है and मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि there are a couple of shortlists that I have done in terms of a bigger car। So the first and foremost is Thar Rox, which is an automatic diesel। मुझे लग रहा है कि 20 या 22 के बजट के अंदर आ जाएगी। टॉप एंड मॉडल, नॉट द 4x4। मुझे 4x4 की मुझे नहीं लग रहा कि ज़रूरत पड़ेगी। That's one। Second is this XUV 7X जो नया मॉडल आया है। I think that is also something that can come in 20 to 22 के बजट में। I'm not sure though, क्योंकि थोड़ी एक्सपेंसिव लग रही है because उसके जो AX7T variant I think is the one which has level 2 ADAS and everything। So that's one। The third one is the Harrier obviously। Harrier भी 5-seater है, बहुत comfortable है, automatic है। Again it's not a 4x4, so और मुझे लग रहा है कि डीजल में एवरेज अराउंड 15 to 16 दे देगी। and probably one more that I think is Tata Safari, जो कि obviously एक छोटा मॉडल आएगा. I mean the variant wouldn't be the top model, but मुझे लग रहा है कि थोड़ा बहुत negotiations and कुछ करके भी probably around 2022 में कुछ variant मुझे मिल जाएगा which can have all the necessary features plus safety features, etc., etc. So that's what I'm shortlisting right now. Obviously, Innova Hi-Cross is the one which I want to buy because Toyota ka engine, you know, but it is way out of my budget. It's more than 30 plus lakhs. Itna I won't be able. I believe these diesel cars would be the one that I might go for. Again, not right now. Probably at the end of the year is what I'll buy. December का discount and everything is what I'm aiming for. अभी से मैं research करूँगा. I'll take some test rides. I understand it's way early. It's the month of January or probably starting of February. मेरा plan December में है लेने का. So, but the reason is this because we take so much of road trips, so much. So my wife was saying, yeah, it's a good idea. Abhi tak she was never in an agreement on buying a big car, but now as we take road trips, she is like, okay, I think you are right, and etc., etc. So मेरा plan ये है. Honestly, Innova Hi-Cross अगर मिल जाए मुझे, obviously 20 lakhs के बजट में तो नहीं मिलेगी, but that is my dream car because of only one reason. उसमें इतने features नहीं आते जितने दूसरी cars देती है, but because of the reliability, the engine, or I think it will go around 2 lakhs or 3 lakhs kilometer with ease. So मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि that's the one dream car that I would want to go for, but it's out of my budget. So let's see. Let's see how it goes. But अभी shortlist करना start करेंगे. मोटा मोटा plan तो simple है, is to shortlist a diesel SUV. That's the plan. Because petrol for the long trips, I don't think so. जा सकता है. You know, Hi-Cross is because it's a hybrid, strong hybrid, I believe. I think friend के पास है, and he told me he gets an average of around 18 to 19 kilometers. So that's a good sign. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि, और वो तो ड्राइव करता है भाई, पूछो ना. He drives around 110, 120. मैं कभी इतना नहीं करता. I keep around 80 to 90 kilometers is my sweet spot, honestly. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि वो शायद ज़्यादा एवरेज है उससे. So around 20 की अगर मैं मानूँ, because my Altos right now, the diesel model, on an highway gives me around 24, 25. And if I don't rev it, and let's suppose अगर थोड़ा downhill भी है, like from Nagwara I came to Ahmedabad, it gave me around 28 k average. I mean 300 kilometers I rode and it gave me 23 k average. So that's an awesome average that I get. So I understand similar average मुझे नहीं मिलेगी in my new car if I buy. तो मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है कि I mean I'll have to figure it out and see, because I'll pay higher, मुझे running cost भी ज़्यादा हो जाएगी, so on and so forth. So I'll have to figure it out, क्योंकि ये प्लान है मेरा. अभी मैं थोड़ी सी ब्रेक मारूंगा. I just wanted to have a cup of tea. और मेरी नानी जी, तो माय वाइफ्स नानी, has a dialogue કે મારી અને ભાગી જવું અને ખાઈને સૂઈ જવું એ દુનિયાનું મોટા મોટો સુખ છે. So, I was just trying to uh, follow her footsteps. तो खाने के बाद सोना और किसी को मार के भाग जाना तो सबसे सही सुख होता है लाइफ का. so, so that's she teases us in that way, and I think she's very right. तो मैं usually BPCL से करवाता हूँ. So I have this SBI credit card which has affiliation with BPCL. तो do buy that card guys, because मुझे अभी तक कुछ around 1200 plus 2500, 1200, so around 3700 का प्रॉफिट हुआ है. By profit I mean to say मैंने फ्यूल भरवाया है from the reward points. So my recommendation would be to buy SBI BPCL credit card. उससे एक्चुअली में फ़ायदा होता है. So go for it if you're planning. मैं सोच रहा हूँ आगे जाके थोड़ा लेफ्ट लेके फिर करता हूँ. यहाँ पे थोड़ी चाय वाय पी लेता हूँ. Cool guys, so just had a cup of tea. अब मैं I'll just go home now. So आगे एक BPCL का पेट्रोल पंप है तो वहाँ पे I'll just fill it up. So here it is. This is the one I was talking about. ये बहुत अच्छा, these guys are good. सर्विस भी अच्छी है इनकी. So मैं ट्राई करता हूँ यहाँ से भराने का as much as possible. સેંગ્રિયલ ઓડિસી. જાઓ દો, ચાલો મળીએ. So yeah, just topped up my empty tank. हवा पे आ दी. So the bike is now much more relaxed than what it was earlier. मेरी ऑडियंस होगी तो अभी तो मेरे पास सिर्फ 6 सब्सक्राइबर्स हैं, एंड दैट टू एक तो मेरे फैमिली मेम्बर्स ही हैं. सो धीरे धीरे आई एम होपिंग टू ग्रो दिस चैनल. माय मेजर कंटेंट दैट आई फील इज द बाइक राइड्स. ऑब्वियसली कार राइड्स भी होंगी, लाइक बट मोटा मोटा मेरा प्लान ये है. I want to grow this channel with the content of biking, major part of it. So let's see कितना सक्सेस मिलता है. So far so good. Well guys, I'm thankful for all of you for watching. रोड क्रॉस करना डिफिकल्ट हो गया मुझको. Okay, thank you. So yeah, guys, thank you for watching. Um, Please do share, subscribe, like, dislike, whatever you feel, and also please share your comments on what improvements you feel. Uh, More than happy to include that changes. Kids are enjoying.